Hey guys, good morning and good afternoon or good evening wherever you are right now. So today our topic is related sequence of activities. By the way, welcome to my YouTube channel. So sequence of activities that is construction, pre-commissioning and commissioning. So from the construction, you do the inspection, installation, and then after that complete everything and then follow through all the ITRs, punch list categorization. Category A will be closed and proceed for the RFC walkdown or mechanical completion. So then that's the time you proceed for the commissioning. So by the way, we will start now. So first we need to identify the definition and objectives of the work. So what does that mean? So in definitions, you need to understand that pre-commissioning definition. So what is the pre-commissioning? So pre-commissioning, that is construction group completes all the pre-com activities such as cold checks, cleaning, testings, equipments, and devices, and also inline instrument installed. That's an inline instrument that is related piping. So motors, electrical, and instrumentation system to be checked. Okay, and you need to complete as well the cold loop pipe work, pressure testing, uh, hydro testing, flushing, cleaning, insulation test, continuity, and earthing test. Okay, that is the pre-commissioning works and definition and objectives of the activities. So, functional testing. What do you mean by functional testing? That is live test of an equipment, electrical, instrumentation, and telecommunication. That is part of our functional testing. So what is the punch list? Punch list, it's related to your during your inspection, walk down, any observations, and that's to be registered to the console or whatever software that you are using in your company. So a list of physical defects that form of a summary that deficiency, which is we categorize by uh, items which is critical. So we categorizations with A, B, and C. Okay, so that is punch list. Uh, I'm sure that you already understand those who are subscribing my channel. So based on that, you already know what is that punch list. Okay, especially the QC guy. So definition of works and commissioning. So commissioning meaning all works subsequent to completions of pre-commissioning activities in all system. So in our work as a construction, so we install devices, equipment, support, etc. We'll do the testing, IR testing, so any kinds of testings that you need to fulfill, and then uh, inspection test reports to be signed by contractor and the company, which is agreed that this is complete. So that's the time it's complete. Then the commissioning, we need to give this to commissioning that our system, subsystem, it's ready for commissioning activities. So acceptance is all RFCCU certificates and construction installation completed, ready for startup. So mechanical completions, that is the stage of completion, guys. So if you say mechanical completion, not don't think that this is mechanical only, mechanical. So meaning that is only terminology of the work process, how's the sequence of the activities. That's why we're calling that mechanical completion work. So meaning all the works activities has been carried out and done and complete. Okay, the punch list has been closed. Categorization A. Okay, the stage of completion by functional system subsystem when all new works have been erected and installed as per approved design in accordance with drawing, specification, and applicable codes and standard. So this is basically you're referring to our procedures, our standards. Okay, this is the how the mechanical completions done. Now, as you can see here in our slide, sequence of transfer of facilities. So this is how you can see the sequence of work from the erections up to the final acceptance of our system. So we're talking about system because subsystem that is divided by the work of activities in different areas. And we're talking about this complete system. So it's involved in the electrical instrument, telecom, mechanical, piping. That is the whole system that can run. You can see here erections. That is the construction stage A. That is part of the construction scope, and then including the pre-commissioning work stage. So meaning that is belongs to the construction scope. So some of the persons, some of the personnel, and they don't know how to determine is this belongs to commissioning or this belongs to construction. So in this case, now you already understand which stages is belongs to the construction. So construction, that is erection, that is stage A. Pre-commissioning, meaning you do the pre-commissioning work, that is stage B, under scope of constructions. That very clear, okay? And then after that, you done the pre-commissioning, that's the time we will do the mechanical completion per subsystem or system. Okay, categorization A, category A shall be closed. So don't let category A in that punch list to hand over proceeding to commissioning. Okay, so all A must be closed. So, and then we have some exceptions in our work, that is discussion related between the managers. If they agree, the exceptional categorization A will be proceed and hand over to commissioning. That's this been agreed by both sides. Okay, and then after that, commissioning and commercial production stage C. That is stage C. That is RF issue. So you have OTP, everything, etc. It would involve of the operation and maintenance if they want to join for the OTP, operational test procedure. So if they are interested to attend, that's fine because that is belongs to them in order that they know how the process, how the work activities in your all systems. Okay, and then after that, ready to test run. So operational is okay, there's no issue. Vendors are involved also related of this testing, and then test complete, and then you issue the acceptance. So first you need to provide provisional acceptance in order that to final acceptance, final handover. So meaning when you do the final handover, that is all system related of our erections, mechanical, instrumentations, etc. will be complete. That's for final acceptance. So issue the certificate and then signing. So the contractor will receive the the money. All right. So give and then give bonus to all the employee. All right. So anyway, that's the process of our sequence of transfer of facilities. So now you understand what is the sequence of work in in from the construction towards to the commissioning up to handover activities to the warranty team. So we have a warranty team in order to run the warranty for 2 years of our all system. Okay, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Enjoy.